Hello students, let's see the electronic configuration of elements. This you can understand by the salient feature of Aufbau's principle. Now we are going to do exercise of do the filling of electrons. As I have asked you all to learn the sequence 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d and to write in the comment section. None of you have written. So I can't wait for so long. I have to proceed as I have asked you to learn the sequence that will make you easy to understand by writing the electronic configuration. So I will write that sequence and you should know that energy is increasing from 1s to 2s, 2s to 2p, 2p to 3s to 3p and so on. And two methods are there by which we can fill the electrons. One is that you should learn the sequence 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d or n plus L rule. You should understand the rule n plus L rule. N plus L. What is n? N is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number. When we will add to both, n is your number of shell. N can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Let's do this clearly. N is equals to 1, N is equals to 2, N is equals to 3, N is equals to 4. This is N. And for L, you know that for S, L is 0, P 1, D 2, F 3. Okay. Now let's see N plus L. For 1s orbital, for 1s, what will be N plus L? N is 1 and L is 0. So 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. So least N plus L value is for 1s. So electron will first fill 1s. Now come to 2s. 2s N plus L is N is 2. For S, L is 0. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. So next, after filling 1s, the electron will move to 2s. Like this only, N plus L you will keep on doing. This also you can do, and the easiest way, as I have told you, to learn the sequence. Now let's see the electronic configuration of sulfur. First is the small element nitrogen. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? Nitrogen. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. 7. Now let's see the configuration. As I have said, to learn it, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s. What you have to do? You have to write some sequence, and first we will fill the lowest energy orbital, that is S1s, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Okay, rest we will erase. Two, 2, 4, 3, 7. Okay, this should always be similar. Now let's see other element. Let's see of sulfur. Sulfur, when you will count, you will get 16 for sulfur. Now let's see its configuration. And that 2, 8, 8 to 10 and 6. Okay, now we don't have to do this, we have to do this. First we will write the sequence: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. Let's see how much orbitals will be utilized. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now let me count: 6, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here only 4. 3p, 4. 6, 4, 10, 4, 2, 6, 16. This will be erased. Okay, it's very simple. You have to just learn this sequence and you will fill the electrons. Okay, like this we can fill, we can do for all the elements. Now let's see some exceptions. Normally the simple will not be asked in any of your important exams. Always the complications or exceptional ones will be asked. For chromium, let's see. For chromium and copper are example of the exceptional configuration. Chromium, you will see that when you will count hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, 24 is the atomic number of chromium. Now let's start filling of electrons. First I will write 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. Only this much will be occupied. Now let's fill the 24 electrons. In S2, S2, P6, S2, P6, S2, 6, 4, 10, 6, 4, 10, 4, 3d4. It's not visible. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. Okay, now if you will do this, I will say for chromium it is wrong. So what is correct? The correct configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5. Now listen carefully why I have done this. Actually, to make for stability, the orbital should be either completely filled or half filled. If 4s2 will give one electron to 3d, what will happen? This will be also half filled and this also will be half filled. So stability will increase when we will write this configuration 4s1, 3d5. Okay, this is only the exception comes that instead of filling either if it is not being filled completely, we can make it half filled so that it can be more stable. So this only configuration we can write for chromium. Okay, this was all about to tell you about the configurations, electronic configuration. As soon as you will learn 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, this sequence, it will become very easy for you all. And whenever it will come at the end, you have to concentrate. If it is being half filled, we will make it half filled. Okay, this was all about the electronic configuration. This chapter is now complete. Next, my chapter will be, I will start my next chapter from tomorrow. That will be chemical bonding and molecular structure. This is all for this chapter. Thank you so much, children.